Yes, here is my telescope. It is a 10-inch Meade Cassegrain f6.3, and it is on an Opticraft machining mount. It's not 100% precise, but very solid. See, take a look into this is into the telescope. See the mirror and the secondary, and it is mounted on this Opticraft machining German equatorial mount. It has a rectification gear, and a declination gear. And we can take a look at the motors before we start it. This is the ERA motor, and here is the declination motor. I use this one for when I initiate the telescope. Now it should be due south, and we have this Meade flip mirror unit, which is very good for the CCD camera. At the moment there is a 7mm ocular and a 20mm ocular, because I'm looking at the planet Mars for the time being. Okay, so this we can look at the mount. This is a very heavy mount for this 10-inch. It weighs, I don't remember how much it weighs, but I cannot lift it. Okay, so the cable from one motor, declination motor, and one cable from the rectification motor goes to a box inside the little house here. I will show you. Here is the Sky Probe 1000 telescope motor drive, and two cables from this to the motors, and one parallel cable from this box into the computer inside a warm room. We will go inside and fire up the whole system, and we will listen to the beautiful sound of the motors. Short view of the garden and neighborhood. Okay, we are inside, and we see this very old-fashioned computer screen and the old machine, and all it takes is this old floppy disk. All programs are on this disk only, so that's all I need. And I start to put it in here. Okay, start the computer. I start screen. You should get the tools starting, Microsoft tools. No hard drive is necessary to run this telescope. Okay, I start. And this is the welcome screen. Okay. Listen to the sound. It's reading the floppy disk. And this is the presentation screen. Okay. I am connected to the telescope now. I put a line and I choose track mode single star. If I had made a model of the sky in the computer, I can say restore last. But this time I take track mode single star and it will just track. UTA side, east or west, east. And now the telescope is tracking. And I want to go to a celestial object. I choose object, new. I take a planet. I choose Venus, and it say push FT to seek Venus. F10. So now the telescope is slewing. Okay. We will now go out and see what's happening to the telescope. Yes. And the telescope is pointing towards Venus, hopefully. You can see the motor tracking. And this is April, and there are some clouds and snow in the air. I will slew the telescope one more time so you can hear the beautiful sound. Okay, back at the control. I will just find the moon. Object, new. I can select from NGC, IC, Messier, Catalog, Bright Align Stars. I can put in a rectification and declination. I just choose planet, and moon is the first. Here I can choose. Even Pluto is a planet in this program. That's good. Okay, moon, enter, to slew, F10. And we are running out to listen to the telescope. Listen to this sound. So beautiful. Yes, it has found the correct declination, so it's slewing the rectification axis. Some snow in the air. Okay. Actually, I have, when I do CCD photographing, I use this flip mirror unit, and I also have this electric heater on the tube, so it will not, so the telescope will not do. It is just a small light bulb cover. Okay. Well, cloudy sky, but we will try to observe both Venus and Moon when the darkness comes. Right now it is start to snow. It is April 1st. And here is the inside is the sky probe making some noise. Okay. Okay, we will try to see the moon later. By the way, this is me. Long nose and the stargazer. There is a moon behind the clouds. We will try later.